So we have another busy week ahead of us, but one of the highlights of this week, without a doubt, Madam President, is our Classified Employee Week.
Yes.
Looking forward to a wonderful week. It's another distance learning week, but looking forward to working and acknowledging our classified folks. So, Dr. Lynn, how are you doing, sir?
Doing great!
All right. So there we have Judy. All right, Judy.
CSEA, we love you. CSEA, we love you, 'cause kids need you. You are there to serve them food, and you are there whenever they need you. All they have to do is come to school. CSEA, when kids feel blue, you are there to heal their wounds, to hold them tight whenever they need you. All they have to do is come to school. Take their temperatures, teach them how to read any time of the day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, school day is over again. We appreciate you, that we could shout we love you so. And that is why we want to say thank you for all that you do. CSEA, CSEA, CSEA.
Congratulations, CSEA.
On behalf of the Board of Education, we would like to thank you for what you do every day. You are the wind beneath our wings.
Yeah, we love you. Thank you. Love you.